Welcome. In front of me is a REDMI Pad 2, and today I will show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. There we go. And swipe up to turn off the tablet. Now, in a moment, once it turns off, you want to hold again power button and volume up at the same time. And you can let go of the power button when you see the Mi logo. As you can see, this boots us into recovery mode, in which we need to navigate using our volume buttons, as you can see, and power button will be used to confirm whatever selected. And here we have options like Reboot, which takes us back to Android, Wipe Data, which is just a factory reset, Connect with Mi Assistant, and Safe Mode. So I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and reboot to system, yes. And like I mentioned, this will just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.